Waiter, excuse me, may I know what is she doing?
She's having a new dessert. It's called the Woo ice cream.
Oh, okay. Can I try some? Since
Sure.
it's so good. Yeah. Thank you. There's nothing special about this. How much is it?
$88.
$88? Are you kidding me?
Yes, but we do have a discount. If you're willing to eat it and say woo woo, we give you a 50% discount.
What? Ooh.